With the need for clean energy on the rise, the nuclear industry is, well, booming, and it's happening here. Because of that, industry leaders, business professionals, and students were all buzzing with excitement at the East Tennessee Economic Council's 6th Annual Nuclear Opportunities Workshop. This year, nearly 200 businesses and organizations and 600 attendees gathered at the Hilton Knoxville Airport. Tracy Boatner, ETEC's president, says they've nearly doubled their attendance the past 4 years.
We sort of already have an industry cluster here. So we have our core folks like our Y12 and ORNL and TVA. But then once newer companies like Kairos Power started announcing, and then we had TriSoX announce, Ultrasafe Nuclear, everyone wants to be close to industry that is successful, I think, and you feed off of each other. And if you join that with the assets that we have at the lab and Y12, then it just creates these synergies, and people want to be a part of those.
Though industry leaders aren't the only ones taking notice, the next generation of workers are too. 160 students came to network and learn, tripling last year's numbers. A growth that the American Museum of Science and Energy's Marketing and Communications Director, Matt Mullins, has seen firsthand.
In the past couple of years, this conference has really evolved because the people that began this conference are still here, but there's a new generation of people with a very dynamic mindset, and they're really interested in evolving the technology, pushing the technology into a new space where you would have a gigantic footprint of this nuclear power source. That's changing. It's a new mindset. It's a new vision and new goal. And at this point, you have people who are interested in clean energy, efficient energy, and dynamic power sources. And that's what this conference is bringing to the public.
While the conference is revealing a surge of interest in the nuclear field, it's also equipping students and business leaders to maintain growth and create new opportunities. This year's content focused on topics like innovative uses of nuclear, energy security, artificial intelligence, policy regulation, advanced reactors, and more. To learn more about the NOW conference and nuclear opportunities in East Tennessee, head over to eteconline.org.